Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Moneshwari SP. My topic is Core Computing Foundation through Virtualization. Presented by Jainab Ali, Vinita HC, Rakshita MT. Submitted to Nivedita T. Naik ma'am. Objectives: to analyze different code deployment models for real world organization need to to invent virtualization method in terms of performance, security, and management, to gain hands-on experience in installing and configuring a hyperversion, to create and manage virtual machines with justified resource allocation, to connect theoretically concept to cloud computing and virtualization with practical implementation. Task 1: Code Deployment Model. Bank of America. Selected model: hybrid cloud. The bank operates a virtual private cloud as its primary environment, which it has maintained for years. This private cloud support critical workloads and ensure compliance with stringent financially regulations. Additionally, Bank of America leverages public cloud service from providers like Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud to handle specific use cases such as cleaning resources for non-sensitive applications or integrating third-party software solutions. Hybrid. First one, security. Private cloud storage critical financial data securely. Statistics sensitive workload from external threat. Cost public cloud use for non-sensitive temporary tasks. Reduce reduce infrastructure maintenance expense. Third one, scalability. Public cloud offers intrinsically scaling for peak demands. Private cloud maintaining a stable performance for core systems. Fourth one, control. Private cloud ensuring full control over data and access. Public cloud adds flexibility for less critical workload. Fifth one, Complacency, private cloud meet strict financial rules. Public cloud used only for workload later complacency needs. Next one, continue by Rakshita.
Good afternoon, everyone. Justification why Bank of America is not using solely private or public cloud. Why not private cloud only? High cost. Private cloud is expensive to maintain, like hardware, staff, etc. Limited scalability, uh, difficult to handle sudden workload speaks, less flexibility, slower to deploy new app or updates. Uh, why not public cloud only? Security risk, less control over uh, sensitive financial data, compilers issues, hard to meet strict banking regulation like PSI, DSS, SOX. Next, limited control. Banks need full control over operations. Next, why hybrid cloud is ideal? Private cloud for secure and regulated workloads, public cloud for non-sensitive and scalable tasks at low cost. Balanced model combines security, scalability, cost efficiency, and compliance. Next slide. Visualization methods, full visualizations. First one, performance overhead. There's some overhead due to hardware emulation, but modern tools like VMware or Hyper-V reduce it. Next, security isolation. Each virtual machine is fully isolated. This protects sensitive financial data. Third one, easy of management. Centralized management of VM, storage, and backups make deployment and updates eraser. Fourth one, use case used for running legacy and modern apps securely together, ideal for banking business units. Justification for why Bank of America is not using solely para virtualization OS level virtualization. First one, para virtualization. Guest OS must be modified, not possible for old banking apps. So it's not suitable for Banking of America. OS level virtualization containers shares the same OS kernel, less security and isolation. Connect run multiple OS types, risky for financial systems. Next will be continue Vinuta. Thank you.
Now I am going to explain about practical implementation virtual machines, hypervisor installation, Oracle virtual boxes. The slide highlights the key features of Oracle VirtualBox, free and open sources, supports multiple GETS OS types, operating system types, good community support and decompute, lightweight, runs smoothly on standard hardware. A virtual machine is an emulation of a computer system. It is a virtual environment that functions like a separate physical computer complete with its own CPU, memory, hard disk, and network interface, all virtualized from the physical hardware VMS. Allow you to run an operating system called the OS inside another operating system called the host OS, which is useful for testing software running incompatible application or consolidating service. Next slide. Creation of virtual machines. Server VM.
Justification of resource allocation. Resource allocation is balanced across CPU, RAM, and storage to ensure smooth simulations. VM operation meet minimum requirements and optimize limited system resources to prevent performance issues. To and from the picture there are two types like two hypervisor. Host machine, this represents the physical hardware of the computer essential components like CPU, RAM, storage, and network interfaces. It's the foundational upon which virtualization operates. In hypervisor, this is a software layer. In this case, VirtualBox that runs on the host operating system. Its primary role is to create and manage virtual machines, allowing multiple guest operating systems to share the host machine's physical resources. Next slide. In virtualization in cloud computing involves several key concepts and benefits. In this resource abstraction, a hypervisor manages and allocates resources like CPU, RAM, storage, and network to individual virtual machines. In isolation, each VM operates independently, ensuring that issues within one VM do not impact others. In foundation of in foundation for cloud computing, virtualization is fundamental to cloud computing, enabling the creation of multiple virtual environments which forms the basics for infrastructure as service in the cloud. The last conclusion, visualization and cloud computing are critical for building secure, reliable, and scalable IT infrastructure. Different virtualization types like full virtualization, paravirtualization offer distinct advantages. Strong isolation for sensitive tasks or lightweight scalable developments. Thank you.